Back in February, we shared with you that we were looking for recipe testers to test dessert recipes on Inspired Taste. Over 6,000 of you applied, and we read through your applications, we watched your stories, we shared in your love and enthusiasm for baking, and ultimately hired 3 recipe testers. Our recipe testers have knocked it out of the park. Over the month of April, we tested 15 dessert recipes for Inspired Taste. They even answered some of your most frequently asked questions like, can we use less sugar in the carrot cake? And can we use frozen blueberries in our blueberry pie? I truly believe they've made our recipes better. We are truly excited to share their results with you. This has been one of the most fulfilling experiences we've had while sharing recipes with you for the last 15 years. Thank you so much if you applied, and thank you for being a part of our community.